if you're selecting multiple tiles on the report by using control click and then control click and so on, now you don't require from April 2020 version onwards. If I wanted to keep this chart on the top and remaining all of them in the down, I need to just drag and then I can select all of them together, and in one shot I can bring them down and then I can again place it back. Same way, if I want all to be placed somewhere else, I can just select all of them. Along with this, I need to select all of them and then press Ctrl X, go to any other page, paste it.